Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and to another unboxing. Today we have a Geya. I can't remember if there was a model name. Let's put a reference down here somewhere. And this is a really big box, so I'm just gonna have to move the outer box out of the way. Pretty nice cardboard box, nice feeling to it. Inside the box we have another box, a box in a box. Geya did contact me and they did send me this watch for free. And I'm gonna get into the brand and why I actually let them send me a watch when I usually refuse watches from Chinese companies that I don't really know of before, that I can't find in AliExpress or similar. But this was an interesting one I found. Let's see, nice, pretty nice quality, good hinge, feels sturdy, feels decent, nice lock, unnecessarily big. Here's the watch. Is there anything else? Jump cut while I examine this box. And there was nothing else in the box, but I assume it's because they sent me this for free for a review and other consumers will get warranty and stuff like that. I also removed all the plastics while I was at it, and there was a lot of plastics. But here we go. Here is that watch, and here's the, I guess, parts number, reference number. It's a pretty cool dress watch, actually. Look at those. Pretty good clarity on the sapphire crystal. And look at those indices. This is a dressy watch. It's really nice, actually. The bracelet is solid, female end links, really good articulation. Unfortunately, a deployant clasp, so no micro adjust. Let's see how good a fit I can get on those. Push pins, I think. Powering this watch is a Miyota 8215, so not the most premium movement, but decent. However, seems to be no hacking. So if you want to, on the second, line this watch up with the rest of your watches, it's gonna be hard. But hey, for a dress watch, maybe you don't need it. Good clarity. I don't know about that AR coating, though. I'll have to look into if there is any. All in all, a good watch. Let's get some dimensions. We have about 39.5 millimeter diameter. Quite hard because the case is quite rounded, so it's a bit hard getting a good measurement. Really high, very polished. There I am. But about 39.5, this state 40, so 39.5, 40 millimeter. Lug to lug, we have 46.5, so fairly compact. And we have 12.2 millimeter thickness. Sign crown, and all in all, a pretty handsome watch, I may say so myself. It feels pretty good, actually. Link down below to their website, to this watch. Now, their website is a bit interesting. It seems to have done the same photo shoot and then photoshopped in all watches on the same photo of a wrist. And the English is so and so, but hey, the watches seems to be good, pretty nice, and they even have some Jacob & Co. homages or inspired watches. Anyhow, this is how it wears on my roughly 16.5 or 17 centimeter wrist, somewhere between there. I usually waver depending on heat and how the weekend has been and so on. Wears pretty well, lies pretty flat on wrist, very shiny, very dressy, and it feels pretty comfortable, actually. Nice pattern on that dial, and really good clarity on that. I think it's a sapphire crystal. Air coating seems to be so and so, if there is any. But the clarity is good, and it's a really nice pattern on that dial. So for a dress automatic, oh yeah, plenty of links to spare. So you can have way bigger wrists than I have. So if you're looking for a very, I think very affordable, can't remember the price, dress watch automatic, you don't mind not being able to hack, and you want two-tone, this might be a good option for you. Link down below. Review coming, let's say soon. I always wear my watches for a while before I review them, and then life and so on. Oh yeah, and it has a chapter ring. Men watches seem to skip the chapter ring, but I really enjoy when a watch has a chapter ring. Cool, review coming up. Until next time, take care, stay safe, and bye bye.